Hello everyone, I am Cade from Acntruck Machinery. Today I have arrived at Sanhe Warehouse to introduce a skid steer loader for you. It is from XCMG. It is the best brand in China, and this model is XC740K. Now let's look at its specifications. Now let's look at its bucket. Its rated load is 750 kilograms and its tipping load is 1,500 kilograms. If you need different optional equipments, please tell me. Now let's look at the cabin. It's equipped with comfortable seat and pilot operation system. If you need air conditioner and so on, we can also provide them. Now let's look at the engine. Its brand is Xinchai. Its model is C490BPG. Its rated power is 54.4 kilowatts and its discharge is 2-stage. Very reliable engine in China. Its wheelbase is 1027 millimeters. If you are from African countries like Algeria, we can also offer desert tires, which are very reliable in hot places. That's all for today's introduction. If you need machines, please contact me on WhatsApp or WeChat. See you next time. Bye bye.